Do you want someone to like you? Stop doing favors for them. Seriously. Instead, ask them for one. It sounds backward, but it's a proven psychological hack called the Benjamin Franklin effect. Benjamin Franklin had a rival who hated him. He didn't try to impress him or buy himself gifts. Instead, he asked to borrow a rare book from his rival's personal library. When Franklin returned the book with a thank you note, the rival's entire attitude changed. They ended up becoming lifelong friends. Here is why it works. Our brains hate feeling inconsistent. When we do a favor for someone, our subconscious mind thinks, hey, wait, I just helped this person, so I must like them. It's a trick to resolve our cognitive dissonance. Yeah, by asking for a small favor, like borrowing a pen or asking for advice, you are actually triggering your subconscious liking for you. The catch: the favor has to be small. Don't ask for a loan of $1,000. Ask for something easy, like, hey, can I get your opinion on this? Or could you please help me with this quick task? Right? If it is too big, people might get annoyed, and yeah, so keep it small and keep it genuine. It's not a manipulation, it's a human psychology. So next time, if you want to build a better connection with someone, try asking them for a favor. Yeah, let me know in the comment, would you try this? Hit subscribe for more psychological life hacks.